Welcome back to Jamie and Andy's Tesla Adventures. Today I wanted to go over our Tesla fridge that we just received. I ordered it from TelsaFridge.com. It is specific to fit the sub-trunk of the Tesla Model Y, and it will fit the Model Y 2026 refresh, which is pretty cool. I actually contacted them before I had purchased it and confirmed that it would fit the new Model Y. We bought it specifically for, camping purposes. Anybody else would, day camping. But another reason too is we do like to shop at Whole Foods in Frisco, Colorado, and that's about a maybe 2.5 hour drive from here. It also not only keeps things cold, but it'll also keep things frozen as well, because it goes, what is it? It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will go all the way down to -4 degrees. Which is pretty sweet. And why wouldn't you want that for your Tesla? It doesn't require any ice, which is awesome. You just plug it into the 12 volt in the back. Literally, you just pop it into place and you plug it in, and that's the end of it. You can set it to whatever you want. You can also use an app, and you can set the fridge functions that way as far as the temperature, depending on what you have in there. If you want to keep something frozen, or if you want to just keep it cold, you can set it that way. And we'll get started. I wanted to take a moment to thank the subscribers that we have on YouTube. At the moment, it is 54 subscribers, which is pretty cool. We are very grateful. Some of you are friends, family. A few of you, we've met in person. And we thank you for the support. For people that are viewing this video and have been to the channel for the first time, thank you. And please subscribe, and also give a like on this video. And take a look at our other videos too, very interesting content. But we really enjoy it, and we enjoy making videos, so thank you again. Okay, so here's the box that it came in. Nothing fancy about that. Let's go ahead and continue opening it. All right, we'll remove this foam padding. See here what it looks like inside. Close this up again. What is this? Looks like a cleaning cloth of some sort. Yep, that's exactly what it is. And here's the manual for it. Tesla Fridge app. Plug this in right here. This will go into the 12 volt, and this will plug in right under here. Actually, here's some foam pads. It looks like 3M, so it's going to be sticky on the other side. I'm not sure you'll have to do that with the new Model Y refresh, because it has that. There's like 2 gaps on both sides of where this is going to fit inside the sub-trunk. So I got the Tesla fridge all cleaned up just the way we like it. Have a nice disinfection on it. That's our preference. Anyway, so here it is. And in here, you'll see the empty space. I haven't turned it on yet, so we'll test that momentarily. Here's the interior light right there, so you can see whatever you're grabbing out of your fridge. So we'll go ahead and close that again. It's going to go into the sub-trunk. It has that deep pocket right down there, and this fridge is supposed to fit perfectly right in there. It should just slide right in, pop into place, just like that. Very flush. Okay, so it closes. I didn't put the pads on yet. I'm not sure if you need to with this, because here, let me see if I can get close to it. There's these openings on the side right here. You can see on that side, and then also right there. So I would assume that's enough ventilation. I'm not sure though. I'll probably still have to add those pads in there just to make sure the whole installation is proper. We'll take it back out. If you take a look on the side here, right there, that's a plug port. So what we'll do is plug it in there, like so. wrap around like this, the cord I mean. Then we'll go ahead and slip it back in place. All right, so we'll take this plug right here, and then you can see right there, that is the, I believe it's 12 volt. I might be butchering that. I don't know specifically what they call it, but go ahead and plug it in. It's popped in there all the way. The fridge did beep. Maybe it's in settings. There we go. Okay, so it was 69, so that was the current temperature, I guess. And just to kind of play with it a little bit, we'll put it at 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, I can hear it. Not loud at all. That's not too bad, especially when the sub-trunk cover is going to be on top of it. So we'll open this up. There's the light. That's pretty sweet. And then we'll test this out. It says 69 right now. Check it in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes to see what it dropped down to. All right, so I got the app to work. It's just in the App Store. You download it, and I think you just look up Telsa Fridge. It'll show you the current temperature inside the fridge, accurate with the actual fridge, 68. And as you remember, it was 69, set at 30. So that's perfect. It says -8 inside the manual. It said that it would only go down to -4, but it says -8 right there. So yeah, we'll let that continue to go down, and I'll show you in a moment to see where it's at. Tesla, we're at 70% right now. Let's see here, is that focused? Yeah. So 70%. From my understanding, this is going to use extremely low amount of power. It's not going to use much at all. And the fridge is still cooling down. Now at 66. So let me see if I notice a little bit of a difference. I doubt it. Oh, actually, it is pretty cool in there. So it's doing its job. All right, so I have 69% right now in the Tesla. I am charging my phone. It started to run out. As you can see, it's at 5%. So it is 6:05, and the Telsa fridge right now is at 48 degrees. So it definitely is going down. What I'm going to do is I'll probably just drive around a little bit, and that way we can take a look to see the battery drain on the Tesla. Well, before I could get my equipment all cleaned up and put in the back of the Tesla, I was about to drive. I put it in drive and it shows 0 current miles and still 69%. I noticed that it is already actually below what I had set it at. I set it at 30. So let's take a look. All right. Yep, 28 degrees. Let's check here. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty chill in here. I wish I had a thermometer or something that I could put in there, but I don't. So I'm just going to take its word for it. That's very impressive. It finished before I could even get ready to go on my little drive. But look, it's still at 69. So I'm still going to go for a drive. I don't know how long I'll do it. Maybe I'll go with that time right there. So what is that? 34 minutes right here. I had a timer set. As I was heading down from Fish Creek Falls, where I was filming a lot of the Telsa fridge, I saw that. I don't know if you can see, but in the distance there is what appears to be, let's see if I can zoom in. It looks like another wildfire, maybe? I have no idea what's going on there. Interesting though, I'll have to take a look. Maybe I'll ask Grok. Okay, so how about South Route? Is there anything South Route County? Any wildfires?
No new wildfires have been reported in South Route County today. The most recent notable fire in that area was the 74 fire, which burned 1 acre and was last updated on August 3, 2025, with no containment percentage provided. Currently, Routt County is under Stage 1 fire restrictions due to dry conditions, but no active large-scale fires are reported in South Routt specifically.
All right, thank you, Grok. So I guess there's no new reported wildfires, but I just saw a plume of smoke coming from the South Routt area. So I guess maybe there'll be some updates later on, because that definitely ain't no ranch, weed fire or anything like that. Anyway, I'm going to continue the drive, and we will take a look at the fridge and see the consumption of the battery. It's still holding at 69% on the Tesla battery, at 2.1 miles driven. So yeah, we'll continue. Drove around 8.9 miles, close to 9. Let's see here, we're at 67%. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Hopefully you can. I had enough time to charge my phone as well. It was 5%, then I last showed at 21, now it's 49. All right, so the fridge app, it is saying it is at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, within that range that I had set it at. Now, let's go to the actual fridge. Okay, so let's see here. Yep, 32 degrees right there, within that range that I had set it at. And let's open it up. Oh yeah, that is very cold in there. That will for sure make your drinks deliciously crisp and cold. Great for a summer day, or if you are traveling and you're going to the grocery store like we will, getting all the delicious refrigerated foods we do from Whole Foods. This fridge will definitely come in handy for sure. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is a very brief one. Both Andy and I will be happy to review this product later on once we get some use out of it. If you have owned this product, or if you do own it currently for your Tesla Model Y, Model 3, I believe there's even one for the Model X, please let us know down in the comments. Yeah, until next time.